Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to you all in our today's class. Today also I am present here by bringing some problems here from the inverse function. These all problems are taken from the inverse function. You know, in the previous class we have discussed many more things about the inverse function. Today we are going to solve some problems related to the inverse function. So problems are written here on the board. You can see the one number it is f inverse x is equal to x plus 3 upon 5 minus 2x. F inverse x is already given. Then find the function f of x asking. So here in the previous class we have discussed that we learned there how to find the inverse function of the given function. If function f of x is given, then we learned there how to find the inverse function. So similarly, today we have given just opposite. F inverse is given, function f inverse is given. Now we have to find the function f of x. Okay, so this is one problem. The next is if g is equal to x such that 5x minus k and g inverse 2 is equal to 4 by 5, then find the value of k. Here k value is asking. So similarly, third number, if f of x plus 3 is equal to x plus 6, then find the f inverse x. So these three types of problem here I have taken from the inverse function. So let's see how to solve. I am going to make it easy by teaching here this about this problem. So all of you look it here. What number f inverse x is equal to x plus 3 upon 5 minus 2x. First of all, we discuss about the question number 1, otherwise problem number 1. Then question is asking find f of x. So here inverse function is already given. F inverse x is already given here. This is given. Now we have to find the original function f of x. We have to find. Everybody, you know how to find the inverse function. Already procedure are already taught. So here, if inverse function is given, then how we can find the function f of x? So here, I would like to remind you one thing here. If inverse of inverse function is found here, otherwise if we find the inverse of inverse function, then this becomes equal to the original function f. It becomes. I would like to show you one example here. I would like to present here. Look it here. Suppose f is a function from a to b such that it is given in order pair a comma b. Next is c comma d. Next is e comma f. It is a function given in order pair form. Then f inverse, how we can find? You know, f inverse is equal to, a comma b can be written b comma a. Similarly, c comma d we can write d comma c. Similarly, e comma f we can write f comma e. So this is the inverse function. If the function is given in order pair form, then we can find like this inverse function. You know very well. So, but here we have to find the inverse function of the algebraic expression, algebraic terms. So all of you, f inverse is given. Suppose f inverse is given. Again, if you find the inverse of inverse function, f inverse whole inverse, if you find inverse of inverse function, then what comes our result? Look it here. This b comma a, again we can interchange, then a comma b becomes. Similarly, d comma c we can write c comma d. Similarly, this f comma e we can write e comma f. The width is the original function. This is equal to function f we can write, that is same a comma b and c comma d and e comma f. So this is the original function. It was here already I had written. That is same thing here repeating again. So you understand one thing. You keep in your mind that if inverse of inverse function is again finding, then this is becomes equal to f of x, original function f of x it becomes. So here inverse function is given. Now we have to find the original function f of x. So then Nothing you have to do, just you have to find the inverse of this function of it. The inverse of this inverse function. If you find, then that becomes equal to f of x. So you understand what this thing here, f inverse. If you find the inverse of inverse function, f inverse x is already given. If you find inverse of this again, then this becomes equal to function f of x. So I think you understand. So now look it here. All of you, problem number 1 I am going to solve here. So this is 1 number problem here. Solution. So here given that function f of x, function f inverse x, f inverse x is given already there, x plus 3 divided by 5 minus 2x given. Now we have to find the function f of x that is equal to 5. So now everybody, this inverse function is given. Now again inverse of inverse function we are going to find. Then our step, what is the first step? We have to suppose the given function is equal to y. So let we can do let f inverse x is equal to y, we can suppose. Then we can write here, or this f inverse x, in place of f inverse x, function is already given x plus 3 upon 5 minus 2x. It is in algebraic terms, x plus 3 divided by 5 minus 2x. This equal to y we can do. So here, before interchanging the x and y, we can simplify 5 minus 2x, it is in divide, this goes there in cross multiply. So you can do x plus 3 is as it is, you can put the y, this cross multiplies with this 5 minus 2x, that means we can do y into 5 minus 2x we can do. So or x plus 3 is equal to y into 5, 5y minus y into 2x, 2xy we can do. So this, after this we can do interchanging x and y, interchanging x and y we can do. So you know, already you are taught. So interchanging x and y, interchanging x and y, we get interchange it here. This x we can write in terms of y, and y we can write in terms of x. So here x we have, then x we can write y. Y plus 3 is equal to, there is 5y, so 5y can be written x minus 2xy. 2 is as it is here, x we can write y, and y we can write in terms of x. So this is. Now, first step is the given function should be supposed as a y equal to y here. Then if it is possible to simplify like this, cross multiply something we can simplify, if it is possible then we can do it. Then we can interchange x and y. Then after finally we have to find the value of y. So you have seen y we have here in two terms. 2yx here also we have, so here also y we have. Then y we can write together. So this is y we can write here as it is. 2yx, it is in minus. We can do grouping here by taking to the left hand side. The minus 2yx comes here in plus 2yx. This equal to 5x, we can put as it is here, and a plus 3 we can take their side, then minus 3 becomes. So or we have to find the value of y. We have to find the value of y, so that this is y common we can take from here. So y common take it, y common we can take, then there remains 1 here, 1 we can write plus y already common came, 2x remaining, 2x we can add inside. This is equal to 5x minus 3. So or y value we can find, y is here, this it is in multiply, this goes there in divide. So y is equal to 5x minus 3 divided by 1 plus 2x, we can add better 2x plus 1. So this is coming, y value coming. So this is the inverse function is already given here. Again inverse we are finding. So inverse of inverse function came here. That is we can write therefore f inverse x whole inverse, inverse of inverse function we are getting 5x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 1. And already I said inverse of inverse function if we find, then it becomes equal to f of x original function f of x equal to the same question. This is your 5x minus 3 upon 2x plus 1. So this is our required answer. So in this way we can solve. We can solve this type of problem. So this type of questions generally comes 2 marks question in examination. Everybody learn it very effectively. So this was only for the first question. So only this small solution. Now next one, 2 number. Never be confused. So if inverse given already, we have to find the function f of x. Then you have to understand one thing, that is inverse of inverse function. If we find, then this becomes equal to function f becomes. So one this much you have to remember. You have to understand this. Okay. Now 2 number. Question number 2. Look it here. What is given? Now I draw it here. All the students, now look here for question number 2, how to do. Let's read this question. If g is equal to x such that 5x minus k and g inverse 2 is equal to 4 by 5, then find the value of k. Here function gx is given. This is function gx, we can say g is equal to x such that 5x minus k given. This means we can write gx, no problem. And here g inverse 2 is equal to 4 by 5. G inverse 2 is equal to 4 by 5 given. Question is asking to find the value of k. So this is the condition. This is the condition. But first of all, g inverse we have to find. So you know, g inverse we have to find. And after finding g inverse x, we have to substitute here 2. You know, here 2 is given. In place of x, 2 we can substitute. Then we can equate with this 4 by 5. Then by solving this, we can get the value of k. So look it here. First of all, here 2 number solution I am going to do. Solution. Everybody here given, we have given a function g is equal to it is given x such that 5x minus k. It is given function g. Then this function g, this means we can write g of x is equal to 5x minus k. We can write. This is matter is same. If g is equal to x such that 5x minus k given, then here g of x is equal to 5x minus k we can write. There is no problem. Now here we have to find g inverse 2. Okay. Now g inverse 2 find. G inverse, before finding g inverse 2, first of all g inverse x is necessary to find. So let's find it. G of x is given. Let function gx, g of x is equal to y we can consider. Then gx, in place of g of x we can put 5x minus k. Let's put here 5x minus k is equal to y we can do. So here after this we can interchange x and y. Interchanging x and y we can do. So interchanging x and y we can do. Interchanging x and y, we get here this x we have to write in terms of y, 5x, then we can write 5y minus k. Here k is one constant number, we should not do anything, we have to keep as it is equal to y we can write in terms of x. So from here y value we have to find. So 5y is already here is equal to x we have here minus k goes there in plus k we can write, or y value we have to find finally, and that is x plus k divided by 5. 5 it is multiplied, goes in divided. So therefore we are getting gx is already given. Now we have to find g inverse x. G inverse x again. G inverse x is equal to, we can write x plus k divided by g inverse x came. Yes, g inverse x came. So in g inverse x, g inverse 2, here input value is 2, here input value is x here. So in place of x we have to put 2 here. So now putting x equal to there, we can put here 2 in G inverse. G inverse x we have got already. That is x plus k divided by 5. X plus k divided by 5. Or in place of x we can put G inverse x. X place we can put here how many? 2 is the same, so 2 we can put. Then this becomes equal to 2 plus k, we can do 2 plus k divided by 5. Or everybody, you can put here G inverse 2 is equal to 4 by 5 we have. 4 by 5 we can put G inverse 2 is equal to 4 by 5. This is the condition given by question. G, we have to put this 2 in place of x in G inverse x. So in place of G inverse x, in place of this x, input value 2 putting here, 2 putting, then here it becomes 2 plus k divided by 5 as it is. So here in place of G inverse 2 is equal to 4 by 5, so we can put here 4 by 5. So by equating, we can give value of k from here. So this we can do. Or this 5 we can cut also down. We can do cross multiply also. We can cut downside both 5 we can cut it. So here 4 is equal to 2 plus k we can get. So or the k 4 minus 2 we can take here is equal to k. Or 2 is equal to k. Therefore k is equal to 2 is the answer. So this is the complete solution of this question. So everybody, I hope you understood. So here nothing I have to do, just gx are given already. Gx is given in this form. This can be written g of x. Then G inverse 2 is equal to 4 by 5. This is the condition. Our target is to find the value of k. So first of all, before finding the G inverse 2 directly, G inverse x we have to find. The G inverse x we can find like this. G inverse x getting here. So in G inverse x, in place of x, we can put this 2. So put 2 here. So here G inverse x, this question is this. In place of this x, 2 putting 2 plus k upon 5. So then normal you can do it. So in this way. Okay, after these two number, I hope that you can do the question like this 1 number, 2 number, this type of question you can solve it very easily. Now next one, question number 3. Question number 3 is here. 3 number solution I am going to do. Everybody, question number 3, what is given here? Look it. If f of x plus 3 is equal to x plus 6. Function is given, but it is given little bit in complex form. X plus 3 is given here. Instead of giving here f of x plus 3 given. Then find f inverse x. We have to find the f inverse x. Very normal to find f inverse x. But here problem is this. Look it. Here 3 number solution. How to do? If question comes in this way, then how to do? Look it here. So here given we have given function f of x plus 3 is equal to given there x plus 6. Now we have to find the f inverse x is equal to what? This we have to find. So dear students, here function is given, but it is given in complex form, little bit complex form. F of x plus 3 is given. Input value is x plus 3. But to find the f inverse x, you have to get f of x. Then only we can find f inverse x from here. So this question or this function should be expressed in the form of f of x at first. At first, this function f of x plus 3, where we have seen here, this x plus 3 is here. This function should be expressed in the form of f of x. F of x equal to something have to be there. So this x plus 3 we have to express in terms of this x. So let's see how to do. This can be done in different way. So I showed both method here. Look it here. First of all, this one thing is, this given whatever given inside of this f of this here input value, this can be considered any variable. I can suppose x plus 3 is equal to a. Two methods are there. I show both method here. Here I suppose this first of all let this x plus 3 we have. This we have to express in our single term there. Single term means single value like a, b, c, like this x. So this x plus 3 we can consider x plus 3 is equal to, we can consider this a. Suppose it. Then from here you can find the value of x. X equal to, we can get a plus 3 we can carry there, then this becomes a minus 3. So now in place of x in this function you can put a minus 3. This a minus 3 you can put in this function. So look at here. Then here is function is f of x plus 3 is equal to, we have x plus 6 or f of x plus 3 is equal to a we are supposing, so we can put here f of a. If you put here in place of x a minus 3, then a minus 3 plus 3, then plus 3 minus 3 cancel, x a only remains here. So directly x plus 3 is equal to a we are supposing, so in place of x plus 3 a becomes f. Same here x plus 3 is equal to a we can write. So this is equal to, here in place of x what we can put here, x equal to a minus 3 we have, so here a minus 3 we can put, a minus 3 we can put, a plus 6 we have to write as it is here 6. Or f of a is equal to, function of a is equal to a minus 3 plus 6 plus minus subtraction, 6 minus 3 is 3 and 6 greater plus 3 we can write. So we are getting f of a is equal to a plus 3 we are getting. How I did, look at here. First of all, this first method, okay. X plus 3 equation is in this form. If this x plus 3 in this form equation is there, this can be considered as a single variable there. That is x plus 3 is equal to a we can get. Then from here find the value of x. X equal to plus 3 goes there in minus 3, a minus 3 becomes. So now in this function you put x equal to a minus 3. Wherever x is there, in place of x you can put a minus 3. This value you can put here. Don't forget, this value you can put. So I am putting here now this function writing. Then you have same x plus 3 is equal to a supposing. So x plus 3 equal to a we can put here. A is equal to same. X in place of x we can put a minus 3 putting plus 6 as it is. Then f of a is same, is equal to same, a same, 6 minus 3 comes. So f of a equal to a plus 3 we are getting. Therefore if a here, then here also a. If x you put, then here also becomes x. Here input value is a, so here is output a plus 3 coming. So we can do here f of x, we have to write in terms of x because here f of inverse x we have to find. So f of x equal to x plus 3. Now very simple. Now this came, function f of x came. Now very simple this to find this f of inverse x you can find very easily. So first of all this given function f of x plus 3, it is input value is binomial term. So this is expressed in the single term like this. F of x plus 3 is expressed in the form of f of x is equal to x plus 3. Okay. Now inverse function we have to find. You know how to find inverse function. Again we are going to find the inverse function. So here to find the inverse function we have to consider the given function is equal to y. The f of x is equal to y we can consider. F of x equal to y we can consider. Then we can put f of x equal to, already we have x plus 3 we can put here. X plus 3 is equal to y we can put. Everybody you can interchange x and y. Interchanging x and y. Interchanging x and y we get. So here x we have to write in terms of y, plus 3 we have to write as it is, this y we have to write x. From here y value we have to find finally, don't forget. So this x plus 3 goes there in minus 3, therefore this is f inverse x equal to x minus 3. So this is our x. So in this way you can solve the such type of problem here. Here sometimes f inverse 2 asks here. So very simple. If f inverse 2 asking, then here finally after finding the f inverse x, in place of x we can put 2, then f inverse 2 is equal to 2 minus 3. Minus 1 comes like this. Here don't be confused. Such type of question many more times it is asking in examination. It asks also. So be careful. Blunt alert here. Okay, this much only for the, this kind of question we can solve in this way. Okay, so this same problem can be solved in another method. How? Look at here. This procedure is same. Here you can solve in another way also. Here we have f of x of plus 3 we have. If here is x of plus 3, then here also we can make x of plus 3. Here x of plus 3 we have. So here by adding, by subtracting, we can make x of plus 3. Look at here. F of x of plus 3 we have. Then this equal to, here we have to apply our mind how we can express like x of plus 3. Here x we have, x is already here. Then here plus 3. Then 6 can be written 3 plus 3. Everybody you know. X is as it is, 6 can be written 3 plus 3. Such that x of plus 3, look this x of plus 3, this also x plus 3 became now like function. Here from x is equal to x of plus 3. Here single term became this x of, here x of plus 3 is here input value. So here also we are making x of plus 3. 6 is written 3 plus 3. Here x of plus 3. So this we can write. Then this f of, in place of x of plus 3, we can put single term x of is equal to here. This is also we can put x of plus 3. In this way also we can do the inverse function. We can find in this way. So in any one way you can solve the such type of problem. Okay, so after this, I would like to take one more example. One more example I would like to take here. Now, all the students look at here, question of 4. The same type of question, I take one more example. Here, if f inverse, inverse not, f of function f of 3x plus 4 is equal to 5x plus 8. 5x plus 8. Then find f inverse 2. The question is this. Everybody is same as question number 3. 3 number and 4 number same question. Same type of question. Here is same here, 3x plus 4 given, here x plus 3 given. So first of all, this should be expressed in terms of like this, f of x. In the form of f of x, we have to write, we have to express this. Then only we have to find the inverse function f inverse x. Then after finding the f inverse x, in place of x we can substitute there 2. Then we can get the required answer. So here, so let's do in the same way this 3 number like the solution we can do. Here we have given that function f of 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4 is equal to 5x plus 8 given. And we have to find f inverse 2 is equal to what? This is asking by question. So before finding the f inverse 2, first of all this given function, this f of 3x plus 4 should be expressed like in the form of f of x, so we have to express. Then only we have to find the inverse. Then after finding inverse, we can put x equal to 2 there. Input value 2 we have to put. Then we can get answer. So here, first of all, let's this 3x plus 4 is equal to a. We can consider here. Let 3x plus 4 we have. So 3x plus 4 is equal to a. We can put. Or here x value we can find, from here x is equal to we can get a minus 4 divided by 3 we can get. Directly I am doing, here x equal to 4 goes in minus, 3 goes in divide, x equal to a minus 4 upon 3. So now you have to put this x equal to a minus 4 by 3 in the given question. So their question is, now this is here f of 3x plus 4 is equal to, we have 5x plus 8. Now in place of x we can substitute 3x plus 4 equal to a we are supposing. So f of a better to write here, 3x plus 4 is equal to directly a we are supposing. So in place of 3x plus 4, a we can write here is equal to 5. In place of x what to put? In place of x a minus 4 upon 3 we can put. Here a minus 4 divided by 3 we can put, plus 8 as it is we can write there. Or f of a is equal to 5 here, 3 we can take LCM, 5 multiple a 5a minus 5 4 is 20 becomes here, plus 3 8 is 24, direct it will take LCM, you know this very well. So in this LCM no problem there. So or f of a is equal to, this is, we can write 5a as it is, minus 20 plus 24 is plus 4 divided by 3. So this is the real function f of a we are getting. Therefore we can write here, this is f of a, it is this function is in terms of a here, in the form of a. So this a we have to write in the form of x here. So we can write f of a, input value is a here, input value is a here, in place of a we can put x. Input value should be made x. F of x equal to 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4 divided by 3. So 3 we can write. So this function f of x is found now. After this, our work is not finished. Now just this function is converted into the simplest form. The f of 3x plus 4 is written in the form of f of x. Now only we can find the f inverse x first of all. F inverse x we should find. And after finding f inverse x, we have to put x equal to 2 there. Finally we have to put there 2 there. Input value x equal to 2 we can put. So now again we can do, again let function f of x equal to y we have to consider, or function fx place we can put 5x plus 4 divided by 3 we can put is equal to y we can do, or 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 multiplied with this y, 3y becomes, then interchanging x and y, interchanging x and y, we get, interchange it here, then this becomes 5x right in terms of y, 5y plus 4 is equal to 3x becomes here, or y is equal to, directly I write here, y is equal to 3x minus 4 divided by 5. So this is y value we are finding finally. So therefore f inverse of x is equal to 3x minus 4 divided by. So this inverse function is found now. Inverse function found here. Now we have to put there 2, f inverse 2. So in input value 2 you can put. Therefore we can do f inverse here 2 you can put. In place of x, input value 2 you can put. So this is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 minus 4 divided by 5 we can do. So here 3 to the 6, 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 by 5 is our answer. So in this way we can solve the such type of problems here. So dear students, I hope you understood here this all types of question here how to solve, you know. So thank you, only this much for today. So watch this video till the end, and don't forget to do like, comment and subscribe it for other more videos. Thank you everybody. Thank you, only this much for today.